Gabriel, 8 p.m. to Miriam Marie Pernon.
Graduates, please stand. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Lilia Marie M. Pernon. Conscious of my responsibility in invoking the aid of the divine providence. I do solemnly promise to hold my diploma with untarnished honor to myself and in generous loyalty to my alma mater, the Cebu City Don Carlos A. Gotong Memorial National High School. Unselfish services to the Republic of the Philippines. So help me God.
Thank you, Lilia. You will now